والله يدعو إلى دار السلام ويهدي من يشاء إلى صراط مستقيم.
Let's start off with a question from Sister Amara Sheikh from the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. She had several questions actually, but the first of those is regarding her actual practice. She's a medical student. She said, I took your advice, Sheikh. I'm going towards obstetrics and gynecology. But in obs and gyne, she says we have to do abortions and so forth. Are we allowed to perform these types of operations, she asks?
Bismillah wa salatu wa salamu ala nabiyhi wa Mustafa Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa man walah. Praise be to Allah, we praise Him and we seek His help. Whomsoever Allah guides is the truly guided one. And whomsoever Allah leaves astray, no one can show him guidance. May the best peace and blessings be upon Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. First of all, thank you so much for contacting us, and we're really proud of you. May Allah bless you. You cannot imagine how much we're very happy to hear that students of medical school are changing their mind and making the decision based on the view of the Sharia. We're definitely in tremendous need for female gynecologists. Unfortunately, the vast majority of gynecologists and obstetric doctors are men, and we're having trouble finding ladies who would help our wives, our sisters, and so on. So alhamdulillah wa shukrullah that it is working and there is a response. So may Allah bless you and make you successful in your life. And all the sisters who are in this field or any other field. Second, I think you've called from a Muslim country. So basically there is a law that bans abortion. But abortion, while it is totally haram and prohibited, yet sometimes it is prescribed. In several questions we answered in the past, we said that if there is a life threat that before the 4 months or the 4 months and 10 days, that if the child, continuing the conception would be very harmful to the mother, or life-threatening, and it is prescribed to abort the child, then you must do it. So if there is a case like that, you're not committing a sin, you're doing your job, and it is permissible. That's perfectly fine. So I'm sure that in such Muslim country, that all the cases of abortion which you will study in a medical school, that's approved, and it is prescribed to have abortion done in this case, so there is no problem whatsoever. But if you know that somebody is doing it because they want to get rid of the child, you should not be involved in any case like that under any circumstances, because one who assists on al-munkar receives the same punishment like the one who's doing the munkar. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَلَا تَعَاوَنُوا عَلَى الْإِثْمِ وَالْعُدْوَانِ. In the beginning it says, وَتَعَاوَنُوا عَلى الْبِرِّ وَالتَّقْوَى. Then وَلَا تَعَاوَنُوا عَلى الْإِثْمِ وَالْعُدْوَانِ. Help one another to achieve righteousness and piety, and do not assist nor help one another to commit sins or transgression.
Jazakallah khair. Okay. Another question which was medically linked. She says, can we go into pediatrics, Sheikh? Is that allowed too?
Absolutely fine. That's perfectly needed as well. When my wife takes the children to a pediatrician, I would love to see a female pediatrician. It's better than having to go with her or stay with her all the time, because most of the time those who take care of the kids and take care of their needs are the moms. So when I see a female pediatrician, it's perfectly fine and it is definitely needed.
Jazakallah khair.